What's going on, family? It's your boy Black Phoenix checking in with you, man, this morning. Just wanted to talk to you about a small topic um, that I received a text on the other day, and it had me thinking about a couple things this morning. And the topic is use what you got to get where you are going. Now, once you get to where you're going, you can always upgrade so that way you can get to the next level that you are going. But a lot of times, we would try to start businesses or start a direction in life, and would think that we got to acquire all these new things. We have to go in debt. We have to burn bridges. We have to just do all these crazy things in order to make it. No, you don't have to do all that. I mean, you can honestly save yourself the headache. And believe me, I have done it, and I have been in a situation where I was attempt to do it again, and I thought like, hold up, this is like a revolving door here. You know what I'm saying? Things do not have to be this complicated. And I remember an older man telling me one time, you can always tell the difference from a wise man from from a person who want to be wise. He said the wise man will make everything simple so that even a kid can understand it. But a person who want to be wise will make things complicated and make it seem like it's hard and difficult to do. So with that being said, um, there's nothing wrong with thinking small, keeping it simple, and utilizing what you got. If you got a small truck at the moment and you're trying to get your rig welding going, and you see other people with big rigs and nice welding equipment, um, some people didn't get that overnight. And true enough, some people might have the finances or the good credit to do that overnight. But it was a process for them to get there, so don't get discouraged. You know what I mean? I mean, I'm in a situation. I mean, true enough, I'm not where I started. You know what I mean? But I honestly, I see different guys, and I'm like, man, you know. And then when I find out on some of them their conditions and what they're going through, I'm a lot happier because I own what I do have, and I don't have the stress of what I'm gonna do because I got all these bills coming in, and no money coming in. I got a lot of credit though. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to be in that situation. To me, being independent is being free. You know, I want to be, when I say financially free, I mean I want to be free to be able to roam, free to be able to take care of my home, my family, free to be able to, if something pop up, I can take care of it without a hassle, free of knowing that if something happened to me, my family is not left with a burden. To me, that's being free and being rich. So if you're going to get there, you know what I mean, it's going to take time, but you got to use what you got. And, you know, I would most definitely say don't buy nothing new unless you got to buy it new, unless it's something that you got to buy. If you can buy it used or off of Craigslist or any of these apps that they have now, that's these selling apps, that's the best way to go. Because if you in the construction business like I am, you know, the construction and industrial business and manufacturing business, or however you want to call it, um, things always break, go down, go wrong. So if you can get a good part for a good price and it lasts you for a year or two or 8 months, 6 months, if you get 6 months out of it, it done paid for itself and some. So you can't get mad about it. You know what I'm saying? So use what you got to get to where you're going. I mean, I'm doing the same thing. I'm not where Hog On want to be, but I'm most definitely not where Hog On was. And I see the path and the light. You know what I'm saying? So I'm knowing that things are going to get better. Like you say, as you grow, you have to learn how to make better business decisions and better investments, and be able to look at all relationships at face value. You know, just be real with yourself. What is this that I'm getting into? You know what I mean? And knowing how you want to market yourself. what direction you want to go. Do you want to do everything? Do you want to just get overwhelmed, or do you just want to offer everything until something constant comes? You know what I'm saying? So there's many ways to look at the situation, but I would say to anyone who's picking up the field or going into school or getting out of school or just saying forget it, I'm going to start being independent, and you working and you building up on your stuff on the side, use what you got, man. Use what you got. Keep it simple. Buy cheap. That's how the rich make it. You know what I'm saying? Buy off the black market, as they call it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you can get things a lot cheaper, as far as, I would call the black market the Roman sales, the yard sales, the Craigslist, buying off of people. You know what I'm saying? Who's, going out of business or retired, or, don't use the stuff no more. So if you don't have to buy new, don't buy new. But once you're able to get certain things new, yes, technology is advanced now where certain things you do want. You're like, oh yeah, it's a lot better if I get this. So keep that in mind. You know what I mean? So technology is a lot better. You know what I'm saying? So once you do get the money, you can upgrade to get what you want. But while you got what you got, use it, flex it, build it, tweak it, paint it, love it. You take care of it. You see what I'm saying? Because that's how you're gonna eat, man. That's how you're gonna get your bag. That's how you're gonna get your constant bag. And before I go, another thing, use what you got means use your body, use your talent, use your strength, take care of yourself, be smart, be healthy, because that is your business, your body, your consciousness, you waking up, you being alive, you being focused, positive, motivating yourself. That's a part of your business. So stay focused, stay motivated, know what you want, and use what you got. You know what I'm saying? Use what you got, and remember that you are all you got. And if you got a wife or you got a family, they are a part of you, where your wife is you. You know what I mean? So hopefully y'all on the same page. But use what you got to get where you're going, and there's nothing you can't do. Hog on, and I'm out.